Hey everybody, this is Cheryl Hendrick with Hendrick Studios out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Happy holidays to all, and I'd like to invite everybody to, or welcome everybody to the Handmade Ornament Exchange Unboxing 2025. And this was a festive holiday YouTube collaboration hosted by Christy Wittenberg of Christy's Creations. And thank you, Christy, for putting this together. I will have her links in the information so you can go check her out also. In this video, I'm opening a handmade ornament created by Heather Choquette from Jam Journal Box out of Cedar Grove, Georgia. I've never met Heather, but she received my ornament the other day, and I know she's got her stuff up and she liked it, so I was very happy. And I got her stuff in the mail today, because you know the mailman's having trouble during all the weather across the country, so things have been delayed. But it's here today, and so we're getting it up, so thank you very much. So let me get started. Oh, just so everybody knows, this is me. I am Hendrick Studios, along with my husband, Michael. You can find us at my website, and you can also sign up to my VIP email list there. I give lots of giveaways and announcements of what shows I'm doing and so forth. Need to update my sign. So let me open the package. We're doing okay here. Shooting this by myself today. My husband's downstairs trying to make sure the dogs behave themselves and don't bark a whole lot. Which, they're being fine, but the children outside are screaming. Which is what children do at Christmas, so that's perfectly okay. Anyway, we have, I'm not sure exactly how many participants we have, if there are 8, 10, or 12 participants in the gift, or the ornament exchange here today. Apparently I don't have a There we go. But you can see all our videos up here on the link that's going to be posted. Oh, look, she wrapped hers. I didn't wrap mine. Lovely. It's in a pretty little box. It's a folding box. So, figure out how it's going to work. There we go. Set down. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. JournalJamBox.com. Let's get her info there. Okay, I'm going to have to lift the camera or screw it back further. Lift the camera up. Dun, da, da, da. It's from JamJournalBox.com. Look what a pretty box and packaging she has. And I have a note. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Your friend at the Journal Jam Box, Heather. 2025. Thank you, Heather. I don't know anything about Heather or what she does. But it looks like she does paper craft. Oh, look how pretty this is. This card stands out. And it's a snowflake. I just got to unsquish it from shipping. Oh, that's lovely. See, it's a snowflake. That's gorgeous. And then we have a lovely paper ornament that she's handmade. Paper craft is becoming so popular, and it's blues, one of my favorite colors. Blues and purples are it. Great job, Heather. This is lovely. Thank you. Have a little joy, no cards? I think no cards. Oh, it's a little book. It's a little journal. It's like you fill in for the holidays. Oh, isn't this cute? With little pages. Wait, does it go? Goes this way. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, how fun. So I can have a memorial journal. Thank you, Heather. This is so thoughtful and very creative. Love how it folds out. And it's got magnets in there, so it shuts closed. Oops, keep it in frame. Keep it in frame. Sorry, I can't see the camera all the time. And then we have some hidden paper clips for your frost corkscrews to chill. That's what it says on the top. And their front pockets, so I can make these little taggy things. And here's some Blue Christmas 3 paperclip bases. So she does lots of paper crafts. So check out her paper crafts. Go check out her website at journaljambox.com and pick up some of these for your own. Please keep in mind these are for personal use only. Do not try to attempt to sell these. You'll be breaking copyright, so you don't want to do that. And they're fussy cut front pockets and tags. These are wonderful. Thank you, Heather. This is so great. Oh, there's another one in here I missed. Oh, look at these cute little tags. Thank you, Heather. This is wonderful. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put this on my tree right now. Let me get a hook for it. I have a tree in this room. I'm an ornament maker, so I have trees in all rooms. Seems to be a tree problem in my house. This is beautiful. Thank you, Heather. This is wonderful. I don't do any paper ornaments. I haven't tried that yet. So I am working on getting things organized this year so I can get some of my paper craft concepts going. Let me turn you over to my tree here. Okay, we're also in my workroom, which is also my 3D printer room. So behind just all the colorful things you see are 3D printer filament. It's not the machine that's the problem in 3D printing. It's the filament. I sent Heather one of my fused glass ornaments. I do fused glass art. So it's a niche market. Where am I on the screen? Here we are. Focus. Focus. And this is made with a transparent glass so you can see through it. If light is shining behind it, like it's in the window or something, if you use it as a sun catcher, it will cast the colors of the glass onto like a shadow. It'll be a tinted colored shadow. I do glass art, so we got turkeys, and out here in Vegas, we got, oops, everything's backwards. It is Area 51. So this is our alien in the Santa hat, because we have aliens, So go ahead and check out my website at hendrickstudios.com, and check out jamjournalbox.com, and check out her paper craft, because it's really great. And we will also would like you to go and see the rest of the videos. There, that's straight now. The rest of the videos on the website link, which is at, you should be able to find it under Handmade Ornament Exchange 2025. So check it out. I'll have the link below. And thank you very much, Heather. And thank you, Christy, for hosting this event. We'll really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye. And Merry Christmas.